Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee easy guide. Start by grabbing fresh beans, a grinder, clean water, and a simple brewer, then measure and time each step for consistent results. Grind just before brewing for best flavor, and use a 1:15 coffee to water ratio as a starting point. Adjust grind size and brew time to taste, and keep notes so you can repeat your favorite cup every morning. Choose a brew method that fits your mornings and skill level, like pour over, French press, or an automatic drip machine. Use a consistent dose, starting with 15 grams coffee per 225 ml water, and adjust for taste. Keep water temperature between 90 and 96 degrees Celsius, bloom fresh grounds when using pour over, and rinse filters to avoid paper flavors so your cup stays clean and flavorful. Enjoy better coffee. Quick recommendation: if you want to sip water while you brew, try the Oala water bottle for spill-proof hydration that fits most cup holders. If you like this helpful coffee guide, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more quick tips. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Pick up a bottle to stay hydrated while you brew. Now let's get back to the video. Save time without sacrificing taste by preparing key items the night before, like measuring beans and setting your grinder. Use a kettle with temperature control, or let boiled water rest for 30 seconds, and preheat your brewer and cup to keep temperature stable. Experiment with grind coarseness, brew time, and dose in small increments, and write quick notes so improvements become fast and repeatable. Soon you will make great coffee in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.